SIP trunking will be beneficial to small organization which uses conventional telephone trunk. This enables telephone systems to be able to function over the internet. SIP trunking is very popular among people who want to find a cost-effective solution to their business and in the process wants to reduce the operating cost of their firm. Before SIP technology, all the phone calls made were using PSTN, Public Switch Telephone Network, which allows any telephone in the world to communicate with any other. SIP trunk replaces this traditional PSTN with PSTN connectivity via a SIP trunking service. The SIP trunk establishes the communication between an organization's PBX and ITSP. One advantage of this service is real-time communication is possible with this service, like instant messaging, whiteboarding and application sharing. People chose this service mainly because of the less operating cost and more reliability. It eliminates the need for local PSTN gateways. Instead of using voice and data network in the organization separately, one can use single network of SIP trunks which eliminate the use of unnecessary physical wires provided by service providers. SIP trunking is the best way to utilize the communication system effectively. With SIP trunking one can make long-distance call in less cost and can make emergency calls as well with much more reliability and ease. Apart from employing text and email service, one can also effectively browse worldwide web. Another remarkable advantage of using this service is that it effectively uses the internet broadband and thus improves the efficiency with highly reasonable cost. A SIP trunk can handle many calls at a time because it uses internet. It uses fixed and mobile telephone sets and helps to access directory assistance, and thus makes the service more beneficial and resourceful. It establishes the scope for real-time communication beyond LAN. Redundancy with multiple service providers and links is another advantage of SIP trunking. Voice quality in SIP trunking is great and more user-friendly than traditional PSTN, and hence it is becoming more popular. DOS or denial service attack is a common threat to this service. In DOS attack, intruder sends large amount of data causing large traffic, and that causes system and data crash. Sometimes intruder will get access to the service and will launch several attacks, and in this way get access to otherwise highly confidential service or data. Firewall vendors offer several stable platforms to support SIP trunking for data protection. It can be designed to protect enterprise LAN from DOS attacks. SIP signaling is another threat. SIP messages are in ASCII format. Plain text thus is more vulnerable to be read by unauthorized people and prone to manipulation. There are many encryption algorithms being written, and among them MTLS is the most secure encrypting way, which benefits both server and client, and hence only authorized people can decrypt the information sent over.